Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how to remove the radio screen and the dash here with the AC vents. In this case the purpose is we're installing the YP BMW 09, our interface module to allow us backup camera to the factory screen. So all the connections for this system is done behind the screen. And we also need, in this case, we also need to have an accessory connection, which we will take from our cigarette lighter. So we're going to show you the cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter located here. You can try to remove this whole dash panel and everything just to access it. It's quite a lot of stuff to remove just to get the accessory. So we actually have a tool that locks into the cigarette lighter and pulls it out of place, and then that way we have a very easy access to our wires, so that way we don't have to worry about taking apart too many stuff. Now for the screen itself, so we have a couple of screws holding the screen from the bottom. There's a tab in here that's holding this trim, so if you try to pull this trim out, you're gonna feel like there's a resistance. Don't try too much because you're gonna break. It's not the resistance because of clips. There's an actual security tab that is hidden. So first we're going to take out this piece. So with the popper, I just go under in here and I just pop it out completely. This one you don't have to worry, it's all clips, but again, don't use metal tools. I always use the plastic tools. Now there is a wire that's holding the key and the hazard, so you can either try to pull it and access the wire, a bit difficult. What I do after I pull this out a little bit, there's a tab on the top here, and I push this out. That way I can access the wire very easy, pull it out, and I have my connector out, and then this piece comes out very easy. Now we have two screws hidden inside there. You can see one from this side. Down with the video. Sorry, I'm gonna show you the screw. Okay, you can see this one and the other one on the other side. So two screws hidden inside here. Those ones are holding the screen. Now there's also a tab in here. You can see this tab. So I'm gonna focus on that tab. You see this tab? This tab is what's holding the plastic in place. So this tab, with a simple flat screwdriver, we're just gonna push it in, and that's it. The tab is released. As soon as the tab is released, you can see that the top piece will come out very easy. So as soon as the tab is released, I can actually with my fingers take it completely out. Okay, just hold this and this, so we can see this is the tab. So this is the position that it's inside. It locks in. You just push it to the back and it lets you come out. We have the two Torx screws, so it's actually now easier to see them. You can see them here from the top. They are hidden from the bottom, but you can see them from the top. After you took it out, you can see the screws very easy. Take the screws out. As you can see, the screen is already sliding out easy, and this is our connection. Now all the connections we have to do for this unit is done behind here, and that's it. This is how we remove everything, and later on we're going to show you, check our next video to see how what parts we need, where we're going to connect them, and how to install the system. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.